The BMW X6 is a mid-size luxury crossover SUV from Germany. The BMW X6 coined the term sports activity coupe, referring to its styled rear roof. As a result, it has a high ground clearance, all-wheel drive and weatherability, as well as large wheels and tires, but also has the stance of a coupe. The third-generation X6 was unveiled on the 3rd of July 2019 and sports new bodywork, including an optionally illuminated grille for the first time on a BMW. The X6's headlights are similar to those on the X5, but its bumper and taillight designs are unique. The X6 G6 is a double wishbone front suspension and a 5-link rear suspension based entirely on the CLAR platform. Compared to the previous model, it is 14 mm wider, 25 mm longer, and has a 6 mm lower rear wheel arch. The boot has a capacity of 580 liters, and with the seats folded down, it has a total capacity of 1530 liters. The Vantablack painted BMW G6 was unveiled at the 2019 Frankfurt Motor Show. With 19 inches wheels, chrome trim, and underbody protection, the G6 X6 is available in X-Line or M Sport trim levels. The Sport model will include black trim and come with M Sport tuned suspension and brakes. The Sport model will also be electronically controlled and include an M Sport exhaust. Models feature LED headlights, illuminated welcome mats, iDrive 7.0 with two 12.3 inches screens and a personal digital assistant. Optional equipment includes features like warning indicators, laser headlights, an illuminated kidney grille, heated and cooled cup holders, and air suspension which can be raised or lowered by 80 mm and can be configured for snow, sand, gravel, or rocky terrain. The M50 models are available with M Performance parts, including a carbon fiber spoiler, M rims, a sport steering wheel, a carbon fiber kidney grille, carbon fiber mirrors, and carbon fiber side skirts. In terms of braking, the X6M Competition features a ventilated front and rear disc braking system. For all X6Ms, M Performance parts include a sport steering wheel, carbon fiber kidney grilles, carbon fiber diffusers, and carbon fiber spoilers. The models X6M and X6M Competition are both powered by a 4.4-liter V8 engine. It delivers 591 horsepower, 441 kW and a maximum torque of 750 Nm and runs from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds, and 617 horsepower, 460 kW and a maximum torque of 750 Nm and runs from 0 to 62 in 3.8 seconds in the competition. The maximum speed of 155 miles per hour. The price for X6M starts from $115,000. Since 1997, Mercedes-Benz has produced the GLE, formerly called the Mercedes-Benz M-Class, which is a mid-size luxury SUV. It shares the same platform as the GLC, though it has a bigger engine. After the facelifted W166 M-Class was released in April 2015, the M-Class was renamed to the GLE, as well as sharing the platform, mechanicals, and interior with the W166. The GLE Coupe also has a unique body with a similar design, having a sloping rear, even if there are a higher sunroof. Find an SUV. Having begun production in Alabama together with the GLE. The GLE Coupe is topped by a Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S model with a 5.5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing 607 horsepower and 760 Nm of torque, making it one of the fastest models available. Mercedes unveiled the GLE at the 2018 Paris Motor Show. It was sold in the US with two engine options, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 255 horsepower and a 3-liter inline-6 turbocharged engine with 362 horsepower. The GLE 450 comes with an integrated starter motor connected to a 48V electric system. There are no mechanical roll bars on the GLE 450, which significantly improves performance. It has an active body control system, which powers the air conditioner, in-car electronics, and turbocharger. Other engine options are also available, such as the AMG GLE 53, which was unveiled at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. It features an i6 3.0 liters engine that produces 429 horsepower. For an extra 21 horsepower, a 48V electric system can be added. Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S Coupe has an engine 4.0 liters V8 bi-turbo with mild hybrid drive, and it has 607 horsepower. It can reach 62 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds and a top speed of 174 miles per hour. Europeans can choose between two plug-in hybrid versions: the GLE 350, which uses a gasoline engine, or the GLE 350, which uses a diesel engine. 31.2 kWh battery power both devices. The price for Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S Coupe starts from $115,000. If you liked this video, watch the following video about BMW X7 versus BMW X7 in 2023.